And once you stick the batteries in, just like this, you're able to just pop the back right on and screw the screws back in. And then once that is there, you're able to turn this light on. It's super bright LED light, super great for dark spaces, definitely makes it a lot brighter. You're able to just reach and pick something up. So, grab something. To just reach back there and pick something up with the light, and it's super great, makes things a lot easier. I love this, so it's definitely one of my favorites, and you guys should recommend this.